Good morning. Before you check your phone, before you check your to-do list, before you become who the world expects you to be, take 5 minutes just for you, just to remember who you actually are. Take a deep breath. This is your day, not the day the algorithm planned for you, not the day your boss expects, not the day you think you should have. Your day, starting now. You don't need to be productive to be worthy. You don't need to hustle to matter. You don't need to grind to deserve rest. You are enough right now before you do a single thing. Feel that. You woke up, your heart is beating, you are alive, that alone is everything. Today is not about becoming someone better. Today is about being more fully yourself. What if you didn't have to prove anything today? What if you could just show up as you are, imperfect, human, enough? Set your intention now, not a goal, not a metric, an intention. How do you want to feel today? Not what do you want to achieve, but how do you want to be? Present, kind, curious, peaceful, whatever word comes. Say it now. This is my intention. I choose presence, I choose kindness, I choose to be here. Not hustling towards some future version, but inhabiting this version right now. You will face challenges today. Things won't go perfectly. You might fail at something. You might disappoint someone. And that's okay. That's being human. That's being alive. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be real. Feel your body now. This miraculous thing that carried you through yesterday and woke up ready to try again. Thank it for breathing while you slept, for healing what needed healing, for showing up again. Your body is not a machine. It's a living ecosystem. Treat it like the miracle it is. Today you will interact with other humans. Remember, they are fighting battles you know nothing about. They are tired too. They are trying to. What if you met them with softness, with patience, with the same grace you wish they'd give you? Not because you should, but because it feels better. Because kindness is not weakness, it's strength. You have everything you need for this day, not for tomorrow, not for next week, for today. And today is all you ever have. Yesterday is a memory. Tomorrow is imagination. Only now is real. So be here, fully, courageously, imperfectly here. When you leave this meditation, the world will want things from you. Let it want. You decide what you give. Start with yourself. Fill your own cup, then overflow. You cannot pour from empty. You cannot give what you don't have. So today, choose yourself first, not selfishly, sacredly. You are not behind. You are not late. You are exactly where you need to be. The universe doesn't make mistakes. You are here, in this body, in this moment, for a reason. Trust that. Take one more deep breath. Feel the morning energy, the fresh start, the possibility. Not the pressure, the possibility. You get to write today, one choice at a time, one moment at a time. Choose kindness, choose presence, choose real over perfect. And know that whatever happens, you are enough. Not because of what you'll accomplish, but because you exist. Open your eyes, look around. This is your one precious day. Don't waste it trying to be someone else. Don't waste it proving your worth. You're worthy. Now go be beautifully.